So we're going to start out with some 3/8 inch square mild steel, and we're going to mark it at 1.5 inches, and we're going to cut that out with the hacksaw. Now we're going to mark it at 1 inch. On two sides. And we're going to draw a line through the center. Just like that. Now, because this is a split cross and I want there to be a hole in the center, we're going to go a tiny bit past center. So if I wanted it to be a normal cross, I would stop about here, right where that line is, before I get to the line. So the slits don't cross. But since I want a hole in the middle, I'm going to keep going until about when I reach the bottom of this. And that'll make the slits cross, and there'll be a crossed hole in the center when we're done. Okay guys, I got my glove and my eye protection on. So now we can start the forging process. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this chisel right here, and we're going to open up both of these slits and make them at 90-degree angles. So we're going to open it up on the chisel, then on the corner of the anvil, then on the face. And when both of these are open, it'll form a completely flat split cross. And it's called a split cross because there'll be a cross-shaped hole in the middle, a little X. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my tongs that I made myself that are perfect for holding 3/8 inch stock, and we're going to heat it up. Now we're going to open that up. Didn't quite get there before the heat ran out. Okay, now for the other side. Okay guys, now that we got it here, we're gonna have to heat it back up really hot right in the center, and we'll give it a good bang, and it'll turn into a flat cross. There we go, that's the beginnings of our cross. There it is. Well, it turned out great. One of the best ones I've ever made, in my opinion. Looks really, really nice. I'm really happy with it.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching all the way to the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to subscribe. I'll have the button right there above my head, and I really appreciate all of your guys' support and feedback, so make sure to comment down below, and likes and shares are always appreciated as well. Also, if you are interested in any more of my hand-forged designs like I made in this video, make sure to check out my Etsy shop. The link will be right here somewhere. I have everything from necklaces like I made in this video, to bottle openers, to slingshots. I do everything. It's my sole source of income at the moment, so I'd really appreciate you guys checking that out and letting me know what you think. So again, really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.